For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
The Gaggia Magenta Plus super automatic espresso machine is designed for coffee lovers who want both control and convenience. I've used this machine at home, and one feature I found especially practical is the on-the-fly programming. For example, one morning I realized my espresso was coming out a little mild, so I increased the coffee strength mid-brew and saved the setting. The next day, the machine remembered my preference, which felt like having a personalized setup. This makes it easier for anyone to fine-tune drinks without restarting the process. The full-color display also stands out. I've tested a few super automatic machines before, and many can feel confusing. With the Magenta Plus, the icon and text-based navigation makes it simple. I even had a friend who doesn't use espresso machines regularly try it, and they managed to brew an Americano within seconds. This type of user-friendly design reduces the learning curve and lets you focus on enjoying your coffee. Milk drinks are often a true test of a machine, and here the commercial steam wand makes a big difference. Unlike the auto frothers I've used on some other models, this wand gives you full control. I steamed milk for a cappuccino and was able to create a silky microfoam close to what professional baristas achieve, following the Specialty Coffee Association's recommended technique. For anyone who enjoys authentic lattes or cappuccinos, this feature puts quality frothing at your fingertips. Practicality in daily use is another strong point. The drip tray and cup riser adjust to different cup sizes, which I find useful when switching between a small espresso cup in the morning and a tall travel mug before heading out. I've brewed directly into my thermos without messy splashes, something that isn't possible with many compact machines. The Magenta Plus builds on the well-known Gaggia Anima series, but brings improvements in usability and flexibility. I've compared it with other machines in its range, and what sets it apart is the balance between customization and simplicity. It gives you real control without overwhelming you with complicated steps. If you're looking for a super automatic espresso machine that delivers everyday reliability, customizable drinks, and a professional steam wand, the Gaggia Magenta Plus is worth considering. Based on my personal experience and Gaggia's official specifications, it's a compact machine that makes quality espresso and milk drinks accessible at home while maintaining the standards trusted by coffee enthusiasts worldwide.